Hello everybody. I wanted to just show people how to make red raspberry leaf tea. I'm using it for a condition that I'm curing for female stuff, and it's really wonderful for female stuff. So I just wanted to show a medicinal strength preparation for it. This this will this is an ounce of red raspberry leaf bulk herb, and it comes out to exactly an ounce. So if you don't have a scale to weigh it, you can really just eyeball it. So it's about this much, and you want to put 16 ounces or 2 cups of boiling water on it. And you'll let this steep for about 20 minutes. And I usually just I let it steep for a little bit longer. I like a strong infusion, or really this is a decoction. And I drink 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the evening. And this helps with a lot of toning and rebuilding and healing the female system. So this is how you make a medicinal strength red raspberry leaf tea. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.